guys, it's your man Ray Zachariah here again. I'm going on a trip. I haven't had much chance to do anything in the summer holidays. I was hoping to do that NC 500, but it didn't happen, did it? So I'm back up and ready again, and this is going to be a little trip. Take me into Wales where I can try out my new tent. That's right, I got a new tent. Going camping. So I should get into Wales just after sunset. It might be dark actually. So I'll get a chance to try out my new auxiliary lights, hopefully. I'm going to spend 2 nights away camping and go and see a few places. So let's see how this one goes, shall we? I think it's time to try them lights now. Whoa. They are bright, aren't they? I did adjust them. I promise I'm not dazzling anyone. But it goes to show the difference between the factory lights and the modified ones. In fact, I've even put LED lights inside my lamp. They're brighter than the factory ones, but it's still not good enough. The lights on these Vulcanists are really and truly not fit for purpose. I'm not sure what the new Kawasaki's are like, but they need to be better than this. Welcome. I'm here at Garth Farm again. It's raining slightly. I got my new tent. It took me a while to set it up, I gotta admit. I think with practice, it will get a lot quicker. But it's really good so far. I mean, it's holding up pretty well. I've pegged it down, round. I got my pillow. This is really good. It's really light. Not like that cheap one that I bought last time I came up here. But I am crouching though. I like to stand in a tent. So at some point, I think I'll get the big motorcycle one. I'm happy I got it. It's loads of room in it, as you can see. Got all this space here. Plus, I've got that section out there and the section out there where I've got some of my gear, my bags, and so on. Yeah, I'm happy. I wanted to do this. Go out camping. So I'm gonna go to bed now. I'll see you in the morning. Night night. Oh man. Oh, morning guys. But a bit chilly. The bed is up. I'm not to blow it up once. So this bed is really good. The pillow, however, I did have to blow this up last night. Well, yeah, I'm super impressed with the tent. The sleeping bag. This sleeping bag needs to be bigger. Because I did struggle with it last night. Trying to turn even now. Like this. But I like to have all of my body covered up. I can't really put my arm in and move around properly. It's too tight. A bit too restrictive. I've got my change of clothes. I've got my stuff ready for the shower, and it's time to venture outside. I think. Let's go. Not bad. Yeah, totally enjoyed that, guys. It was really nice. I'm gonna make a cup of tea now and see what goes. Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Look at that. that's it now. So that's up. I'm back. That's really comfortable. So, as you can see, everyone, I've updated my camping gear. Now, I'm hoping that this is going to be my final update, at least for a very long while. I've got a nice strong new chair. Obviously, the tent you've seen in the last episode. A very compact sleeping pad. The only thing I wasn't comfortable with last night was the sleeping bag. So if you got any recommendations of a good 4-season, lightweight sleeping bag that can be densely packed away, please let me know in the comments. It's a very steady day. But yeah, I'm here at Garth campsite again because the last time I was here it wasn't very good and I said I'd come back. And I really wanted to get that drone shot, so it's a bit crampy getting in and out of here, you know. I'm not sure if I said it before, but it did rain a bit last night. But there isn't a speck of water anywhere inside the tent. And it's a great day so far. Pull up my bits. It's a good weather for this side of Wales, to be honest. As it always raining up here. I'm so glad it's not raining today. So glad. This is just a little split. A bit of a drizzle. Really nice up here. Really nice up here. This weather is kind of perfect really. It's not hot. It's not cold. I suppose it's a bit cool. Not cold though. Very nice. what I came up for, guys. Serenity.